Ahoy, me hearties! Captain Breadhook here, on a quest for the legendary green apples to use in this bundt cake with caramel glaze. But hold on to your sea legs, cause there'll be a fruity adventure like no other.
Hello, Captain. Fancy a nibble of our forbidden fruit?
Arr, nice try, but I'll be passing on that one, matey. Well, if it ain't Captain Breadhook seeking the green apple tree, are ye? Ye must think I'm a landlubber. I won't be fooled by your tricks, you sneaky fruit. Let's see what we have here. A suspicious glimmer of mischief. No apple shenanigans gonna work on Captain Breadhook. The green apple tree awaits. Behold, me hearties, the legendary green apple tree. My loony friends, ye won't believe the taste sensation, and they're perfect for this bundt cake. So preheat your oven to 325. The first thing you do is toast your nuts. Hey, there you are. I'm glad to see you. I was over boogieing on down with Frida for caramel apple cream. Sorry I'm late. Toasting the nuts brings out much more flavor and makes them nice and crunchy. It's called the Maillard effect. Well, that one went a little wonky, huh? Chop up 3 cups of apples and chop them nice and small. We found this cutter at the grocery store. In a separate bowl, mix together all your dry ingredients. That's 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisk that all around and get it spread all around the bowl. Then take 1 cup of oil and make sure you eyeball it at counter level. 3 eggs at room temperature. Leave them sit in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes and that'll warm them right up. And beat them in. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and the zest of a lemon. Make sure not to go all the way down to the white part because that's bitter. And add half a cup of hot tap water. Now we're ready to bring it all together. Add in your dry ingredients in thirds. This helps you not over mix it from clumps hiding in the bottom. And scrape down the bowl with each addition. And finally, fold in your toasted nuts and apples. Set this aside, and now we prepare the bundt pan. Right, not at the beginning. If we prepared it at the beginning, the coating could have a chance to slide on down the walls, and then disaster can strike. Take a few tablespoons of melted shortening and brush the inside of your pan. Make sure you get into every crevice and all. See how the cold metal pan cools the shortening and makes it stick sideways? Sift in a few tablespoons of flour and tap it around and tap out any excess. Place it in the middle of the oven and bake for 70 to 80 minutes or until a long toothpick comes out clean. Now, here's some tips to help it come out of the pan in one piece. First, let it sit on the counter for 10 minutes in the pan. You'll actually see it pull away from the pan after 10 minutes. Second, tap it gently to loosen any last tough spots. Now let it cool some before pouring on the caramel glaze we're about to make. In your favorite saucepan, melt 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, and pack it in there to measure it right. Half a cup of powdered sugar, and whisk that all together until it dissolves, which is right around 160 degrees. Don't let it heat too long or the butter and sugar will separate, and then there's no going back. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and let it cool until it's nice and thick. Then, when your cake is cooled to about 100 degrees, spoon on your glaze. Oh, wowzers! Doesn't that look utterly delicious? I know, I could dive right into that. And that warm cake is just absorbing the glaze as it slides down the side. Thanks for watching, and wait till you see what we create next week. And make sure you boop the bell to be notified when the video goes live. Oh, this looks so good. If you had a fun time today, don't forget to subscribe and boop that bell. That way you'll be notified every time I make a video.